In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on and off dark mode in Notion. Now it's super simple and straightforward, but make sure you watch the video the whole way through to ensure you get every step correct and don't miss out on anything. Now before I get into it, please make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below if this video helps you out. So the first thing we actually need to do is load up our Notion like this. You can see I've got my daily journal here, and if you want to see actually how to make this, I've got another video on the channel. So what we're going to want to do is come up here into the top left hand side where it says settings and members, and we're going to want to click on that there. Now once we're in that section there, we want to go down to where it says my settings, and you should have a little thing here that says my settings, and it should say at the top appearance. Now once you've seen the appearance tab here, you want to go over to this marker here, and there's three settings. You've got use system setting, light and dark. So use system setting will use the setting of your system. So if you're on an iPhone and you have it in dark mode, it will automatically go to that. If you put your iPhone into light mode, it will also go into light mode. Now we have here the default one, which is light mode. Now this is okay, but it can be a little bit bright on your eyes. It's not very relaxing. And then lastly, we can go down here into dark mode. So simple as that. So really you can just change it through here. You don't have to press save or anything. You can just change it to the one you want, click off, and then you're in that mode right there. And that's literally how you do it. You can change it as simply as that, and yeah, just go crazy with it. So if you did enjoy this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped you so other people can see the same video and get the same advice. Thank you for watching.